Abuja, the demonstration at the New Patriotic Party omoye nende say save Ghana democracy omuchum say His Excellency John Domini mama person will change Chief Justice na what the afaso e de foforo aba opon person monam so e de ye omonwoma bi a omani nje ho ene Afenyo mark any police officer bi enya eye akasakasa ma netimi de nsa esam nani training news ekoso Koka enso ka demonstration ho ene ono so ni police officer ba akoso nya kasakasa ni na the stories ni besom we Kama Studios so me so say je agware mfansem ni na nso on this platform. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If this is your first time, click on the button on YouTube and subscribe to our platform over there. Now about TikTok also na be following so there be update to be able to that somewhere Kama Studios. Now my info more and say the New Patriotic Party omo demonstration and
I'm not happy. We believe that in a democracy the way to do it is through a peaceful conduct like we have embarked upon.
After say you could made in a buy and abusia, omo demonstration say His Excellency person yi Chief Justice abusia ti see our remand and also suspension kakra say His Excellency see on tena say na omo review kakra omo wie na so baba o maso a omo change no mo de foforo aba. The New Patriotic Party see there be sadi we omo ye ama sisi ano eya koye me say ye democracy a ye no oman mu no ehun ya tochima
and to register our protest. We started with the judiciary where we presented a petition, the same petition to the judicial secretary for onward transmission to the judicial council. We went to parliament. The clerk to parliament received us on behalf of the speaker. We expect that the petition will be brought to the house floor once the house resumes for deliberation.
Because the National Democratic Congress, they are trying to do something. They want to change the law. They want to change the constitution. Because John Domini Mahama, His Excellency, or sign a contest for 2028 election. They wanted to do something. Say, okay, the new Chief Justice bar, the adequate parliament, that's a court, that's a BBNia, so that is the main reason why they are doing this demonstration today. And then Koka was spotted fighting with a police officer, which said the police officer is trying to prevent them from going forward and doing the demonstration. You can put the video in my bar. Yeah, the Afenyo marking so the art was now what him actually the echoes way if it time. So you can put Koka any police officer no amo issue a buyer na a trendy pa.
Why do you come and say that they should push us away? Why do you? If you think you can't do the job, go. We are here because we are here because of us. So don't go. So what will you do to me? Did you hear what he said? You can't do anything to me. Who do you think you are? Who do I think I'm here? You want the law. If you want to beat me, who are you? How do you say that they should beat us? How do you open your mouth to say that? No, the man is away. Wait. Judge. He said we are working in front of them, so they should push us away. Police, you know.
I know Koka a dear if you buy a natural one police officer back now or accuse the police officer said there be your no and yet now Afenyo market didn't put the with me edensa from this police officer and him I would say the police officer so I and Adia Mana ya Yankobo on so any day a bar you can want some now watch your so conversation as So that is what happened between Afenyo Markin and this policeman. Now people are also talking about the whole demonstration. People are saying say Adentina less than 5 months in governance for the National Democratic Congress. Na demonstration bebree omo ntiase Okoteje FIFA every demonstration said stop galamsey. People really said say okay, it is too early for Okoteje FIFA to demonstrate against the current government because omba yen cheye na adenti na obey demonstration oye nti people are also saying say there be adenti na the new patriotic party, they are worried about the new Chief Justice that His Excellency episode or appointing. Aden Chief Justice yo we MPP ni ana, and what is behind this whole thing? And for agent so almost omodifi ho eba na me so moye Kama Studios. Now also agent this issue no say, do you think say it is possible for the new government Wabano, it is possible for them to bring another Chief Justice? And I said, do you think that this demonstration is going to trigger something that is going to bring back the old Chief Justice RTC or suspension? And this demonstration is really happening. Remember, to the comment section. I say I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If this is your first time, click on the bell and subscribe to our platform on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook at Salif Abdo, TikTok so Kama Studio. Say the baby to my kama. Thanks for watching us today. See you in the next episode of videos, and I'm finally out.